We feel great to be a part of CREDAI, and Hyderabad is a growing market, and CREDAI Telangana is a huge organization here, and we look at being a great partner for CREDAI for the coming few years. And about Nexon, Nexon is a manufacturer of decorative paints, and we've been in the market for last 15 years, and we manufacture primers, emulsions, and putties and textures, and we are a complete South India based company. We have a dealer network of around 2,000 dealers, and we're focusing on targeting builders across Hyderabad and Telangana completely. We look at a long-term relation with CREDAI here. So Nexon, right now we are based. We have a supply chain of across complete South India, and we have dealers of around 2,000 dealers across complete South India. And we look at a complete. We look at growing further into the complete North India as well, and we're focusing on the builder segment as well. So our product range is a complete Green Pro certified range, which are emulsions and putties and other allied products. And our interior emulsions, they come with fragrances, which is a different USP which other companies don't have. And the quality of our products has been a benchmarking with bigger companies, where we benchmark with the biggest companies across the globe, and we've been benchmarking with them, and we've set a status with the product quality across it. So our plant is based out of Hyderabad, and it's in Patancheru in Hyderabad, and our manufacturing capacity right now is around 40,000 tons. And we are next coming 2 years, we are looking at setting up another plant in North India with a huge capex investment, and we look at growing in the north segment also in across India. Paint industry is a massive industry according to me. Every house built has to be painted, and the coming next few years, the paint market is going to be a very huge market. In the last few years, it has grown rapidly, and the growth rate is still on the higher side. So I think it's going to be a good market in paints. So Nexon, in fact, when you consider in the paint segment, Nexon has been one of the fastest growing paint company in the paint segment. Let's not compare with the bigger brands, but when you compare the growth rate, Nexon has been one of the fastest growing rate. We have grown at 30% year on year for the last 5 years. And in fact, we were also awarded as the India's fastest growing companies by Economic Times in 2020. In the top India's top 50, we were at the top India 52 level by Economic Times. See, difference, our quality is at par with the bigger brands. When I told you we benchmark with the bigger brands, our quality has been at par with them. In fact, few products of ours have been even more superior in terms of quality, and quality has been our major focus since the day one. So we don't compromise on the raw materials we use. All the raw materials used are of international grades, and the benchmarking has always been the market leaders. So Nexon, in the next coming 5 years, we look at being a 500 crore plus company, and we also look at acquiring a major stake in the complete pan-India market.